Hey guys, it's Tori from T-Rose Bunny's Adventures, and welcome back to another construction update on Wildcats Revenge, due to open this summer at Hersheypark. If you're watching this video here and you're new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe, so you can continue to stay up to date on the construction of this all-new RMC hybrid coaster. Alright, so we're going to start with the progress of the newly remodeled station. The plastic roof cement continues to expand across the top, with the red color being nice and vibrant. It's exciting to see the first inversion being completed. Now that they're moving on to completing the track leading out of this first inversion, with more steel cross ties being added, we have the next part of this project, the wave turn. As I mentioned in the last update, there will be a total of 4 inversions throughout this RMC hybrid, and in between you'll have different elements such as this wave turn. Looking at these pictures here, it's pretty much completed. Most of the track has been installed and it looks like they're going to move on to the next element of this coaster. I'm excited to see what they will continue to do moving forward. The workers are doing a great job working fast and efficiently. So moving forward in these future updates, I'll go over a little recap as to what we have happened in the video. We have the continued work on the station. The first inversion has been completed. The track leading out of the first inversion. We have the continued installation of the steel cross ties throughout the structure, and they're almost done with the wave turn. I want to thank you guys for coming back and watching this construction update video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.